Hey Cherries, it's Jessica here from A Cherry on Top, and today I will be showing you how I made this shaker page in my Traveler's Journal. I started by cutting some clear crafting plastic into the size that I wanted, which in my case is 3.5 inches by 6 inches. And then I put some marks on my page where my window will be. I'm using 2 pieces of paper and I'm going to sandwich them together. So I'm cutting all the way through both pages first. I want to cut them about 1/4 inch smaller than the size of my plastic, so then I have room around the edge to add glue. Now that I have both of my pages cut, I can lay it flat and start gluing. I recommend adding a scrap piece of paper behind your page in case some of the glue squeezes out. And if any glue does squeeze out, you want to clean it up really quickly while it's still wet. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now you'll want to line around the edge of your clear box with some foam. This just happens to be clear foam, but you can use any type that you have. We are doing this so the sprinkles and the beads and everything that we put inside the shaker will have some room to shake around. Now it's time to add in some confetti and beads and sequins and whatever else you want to add into your shaker. I'm starting with some Hey Santa confetti from Crate Paper. Now I'm just laying out my confetti across the page, kind of evenly spacing it just to see how full it will look when it is finished. These little snowflakes are also from the Hey Santa pack, and they're really cool because it's gold on one side and silver on the other, so I made sure to have some of both showing on both sides. And now I'm adding some sequin stars and some beads. And you want to make sure that none of this is on the top of your foam part. And this is where I messed up a little bit. You should add glue around all of the edges before you stick the pages together, but I still made it work and glued after. I just won't have that one edge glued, but I'm confident in my foam. So if you're doing this, glue before you smush the pages together. Now I cut out this frame from the Hey Santa paper pack, and I'm going to glue this on top of my page just so it has like a smooth frame around it. I decided to make this frame for my shaker page a little heavier on the top so I could add a title up there and maybe some stickers. This was such a fun page to make, and it doesn't really even add that much bulk to your notebook. But thanks for watching!